Okay.
Hello, my name is Katrina Williams, and my presentation today is about the distillation process in petroleum engineering. What is distillation? Distillation is the action of purifying a liquid by a process of heating and cooling. Distillation has been around for a long time. Common uses of distillation include the manufacture of brandy and other spirits, vinegars, and of perfume and essence. But today I want to inform you on how distillation is an important separation process in the petroleum engineering industry. Crude oil comes straight from the ground. Crude oil straight from the ground is composed of thousands of hydrocarbon molecules and has little economic value. It must be separated into streams that have value. The first process of distillation is that crude oil is heated and fed into a distillation column. As the temperature of the crude oil in the distillation column rises, the crude oil separates itself into different components called fractions. The fractions are then captured separately. Each fraction corresponds to a different type of petroleum product depending on the temperature at which that fraction boils off the crude oil mixture. The second process is known as cracking and reforming. The heaviest fractions, including the gas oils and residual oils, are lower in value than some of the lighter fractions. So refineries go through a process called cracking to break apart the molecules in these fractions. This process can produce some higher value products from heavier fractions. Cracking is most often utilized to produce gasoline and jet fuel from heavy gas oils. Reforming is typically utilized on lower value light fractions, again to produce more gasoline. The reforming process involves inducing chemical reactions under pressure to change the composition of the hydrocarbon chain. The production of final petroleum products differs from refinery to refinery, but in general, the oil refineries in the U.S. are engineered to produce as much gasoline as possible, owing to high demand from the transportation sector. At the end of it all, the distillation process is a very complex and lengthy process. Although these refining process of crude oil exhales large amounts of greenhouse gases, we cannot think of our modern civilization without the useful products from crude oil such as gasoline, jet fuel, fuel for power plants, and so many more. That's it. Thank you.